Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Let's continue the chapter. Oh, my marker is not working. I think there is no ink. Let me fill the ink. Yes, now it's working properly. Children, have you seen? Marker needs ink to work properly. Marker needs ink to work properly. Similarly, our body needs energy to do all the work properly. And where do we get the energy from? We get the energy from the food we eat. Okay, so you have come to know food is very much important to perform all kind of activities. Okay, because the food we eat contains nutrients which we have already studied in our previous class. Okay children, nutrients help us in different kinds of work, like they help us to grow, they gives us energy, and they makes our muscles and bones strong. So nutrients help us in different ways. Children, can you tell me, if you eat carrot and potato daily, can you get all type of nutrients? No, because a single type of food item cannot provide all the nutrients. Okay? Single type of food item cannot provide all the nutrients. So, what to do? We need the combination of food items. We need the combination of food items. So, for that, what should we do? We should have balanced diet. Now, you might be thinking, what is balanced diet? Okay, I will tell you what is balanced diet. Children, a balanced diet contains all nutrients in an adequate amount. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients in an adequate amount. Okay children, and balanced diet is important to do all the function effectively. Children, lack of nutrients leads to deficiency diseases. Now, you might be thinking, what is deficiency disease? Okay, I will explain you. Deficiency disease. Diseases that are caused due to lack of nutrients are called deficiency diseases. Children, when our body lacks from some nutrients, our body suffers from deficiency diseases. Okay? Kwashiorkor and marasmus. I am repeating the deficiency disease. Kwashiorkor and marasmus are the deficiency diseases caused among children due to lack of protein. Clear? Is it clear to you all? I am repeating once again. Kwashiorkor and marasmus are the diseases, deficiency diseases that are caused among the children due to lack of protein. Children, vitamins and minerals plays important role into our body. So let's talk about the deficiency diseases of vitamins and minerals. Okay. Night blindness. Night blindness is the deficiency disease that is caused due to lack of vitamin A. In this disease, the person cannot see in the dim light and in the night. Okay? Beriberi is the deficiency disease that is caused lack of vitamin B in the body. Okay? This beriberi disease affect the nervous system and digestive system. Is it clear? Scurvy is the disease of deficiency of vitamin C. Okay? In this disease, the person who is suffering with this disease have swelling and bleeding in the gums. Clear? Rickets. Children, rickets is the deficiency disease that is caused due to the lack of vitamin D. In this disease, the bones become soft and out of the shape. Is it clear to you all? So, vitamins and minerals also plays important role into our body. Now let's talk about minerals. Children, our body needs some minerals like calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, iodine, iron and so on. Okay, so they are required in a very small amount but very important for proper functioning of the body. Due to the lack of calcium, our bones become weak and our teeth also become weak. So we need calcium and we should add milk into our diet. Clear? Phosphorus. The lack of phosphorus also causes weak bones and weak teeth. Okay, sodium and potassium. The lack of sodium and potassium makes our muscles weak. Okay, and we feel tired. Sodium and potassium. The lack of sodium and potassium makes our muscles weak and we feel tired. So, by adding fruits, vegetables and different minerals, by adding milk, cereals, meat, egg and so many things which are rich in minerals and vitamins, we can get all the vitamins and minerals. So we should add all these type food item which contains adequate amount of minerals and vitamins. Okay children, it is very much important to take the proper minerals and vitamins in proper amount. Okay children, and now let's talk about the good habits. Children, can you tell me, you take your lunch, dinner at a proper time? I don't think so. You should fix the time of your lunch, dinner and breakfast. Why? Because if you take your each meal at a fixed time, it will get digest. Okay? It will get digest properly. And another thing is that whenever you eat food, you just wash your hands properly. Okay? With soap and water. And chew your food well. Okay children, you should chew your food well so that you can digest the food well. And you should finish all the food that is served on your plate. Clear? Do not overeat because it might make you sick. Okay? Do not overeat. Sometimes it happens your mama makes tasty food and you eat a lot of food. Then what happened after it? You get stomachache. Is it? Am I right? So we should take care of it. Okay children? Bye bye. Stay